Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Vantage to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the MT5 application on your phone. Then you can also download and install the Vantage application on your phone. This way, it will be very easy for you to get your MT5 login credentials. So once you have done that, you need to first of all log in into your Vantage account. Over here, you are going to see this type of home page in front of you. It is basically going to show you whether you are using a demo account or a real account. So you need to first of all select whether you want to log in MT5 with your real account or your demo account. After selecting it, simply tap on this arrow icon that you see here on the home page. After that, you need to tap on the option of settings. In that, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. So you will get your MT5 login ID, the password and the server. So first of all, you need to copy the server from there. Then you need to come in your MT5 account. After that, tap on the option of add trading account. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply paste that exact server which you have copied from the Vantage application or from Vantage in your web browser. So after pasting that, you just have to simply tap on that server when you are able to find it in the list. Then simply go back to your Vantage app and copy the login credentials. That includes your login ID and the password. So you need to paste them one by one over here. Then tap on the option of login. So this way you will be able to log in into your Vantage account via MT5, or this way you will be able to connect these. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.